The Lotus Sutra, Chapter 27, Ancient Accounts of King Subhavyuha. Then the Buddha Jaladhara Gajita Goza Susvara Naksatra Raja Samkusu Mita Bichna addressed King Subhavyuha, saying, Exactly, it is as you have said. If the sons and daughters of a virtuous family make good friends throughout many lives, after having planted roots of good merit, those good friends will perform the Buddha's work, illuminating, teaching, benefiting, and gladdening them, and will cause them to enter highest, complete enlightenment. O great King, you should know that a good friend is indeed the great spur that brings inspiration to others, causing them to meet a Buddha and the thought of highest, complete enlightenment to awaken in them. O great King, do you see these two sons? These two sons have already paid homage to Buddhas equal in number to the sands of 6,500 thousands of myriads of kotis of Nayutas of Ganges rivers, closely attended the Buddhas with respect, accepted the Lotus Sutra in their presence, and in their compassion caused sentient beings with false views to dwell in right views. Immediately after that, King Subhavyuha descended from the air and addressed the Buddha, saying, O Bhagavat, the Tathagata is extraordinary. Because he is endowed with merits and wisdom, his top knot is brilliantly illuminated, his deep blue eyes are long and wide, the tuft of hair between his eyebrows is white like the bright moon, his white teeth are even and always shining, and his scarlet lips are like the bimba fruit in their beauty. At that time, King Subhavyuha praised immeasurable hundreds of thousands of myriads of kotis of qualities of the Buddha like these, and again wholeheartedly addressed the Buddha with his palms pressed together in the presence of the Tathagata, saying, O Bhagavat, this is unprecedented. The Tathagata's Dharma is endowed and perfected with inconceivable subtle qualities. His teaching, integrity, and deeds are serene and comfortable. From today on, we shall never act selfishly, and the wrongful thoughts of false views, pride, and anger shall never awaken in us. Having spoken these words, he bowed to the Buddha and went away. The Buddha addressed the great assembly, saying, What do you think about this? Is King Subhavyuha someone unknown? He is none other than this Bodhisattva Padma Shri. His queen Vimaladatta is none other than this Vairochana Rasmi Prati Mandita Dvara Raja, now in the presence of the Buddha. Because she had compassion for King Subhavyuha and his retinue, she was born here. These two sons are none other than Bodhisattva Baisaja Raja and Bodhisattva Baisaja Samudgata. These Bodhisattvas, Baisaja Raja and Baisaja Samudgata, perfected great qualities such as these, and having planted many roots of good merit under the guidance of innumerable hundreds of thousands of myriads of kotis of Buddhas, perfected inconceivable great merit. If anyone holds the names of these two bodhisattvas in memory, the devas and humans in this entire world will certainly pay homage to those bodhisattvas. When the Buddha taught this chapter, Ancient Accounts of King Subhavyuha, 84,000 people removed themselves from impurity, rid themselves of defilement, and attained pure Dharma eyes with which to see the teachings.